Hey everyone, my name is Aaliyah Wilson, and I just want to share my experience with Nile Valley Beauty online and mentorship program because it honestly changed my life. A year ago, I had a passion for beauty, but I didn't know where to start. I wanted to launch my own hair and beauty brand, but I didn't have the right resources, and I felt overwhelmed trying to figure it all out on my own. That's when I found Nile Valley Academy. At first, I was skeptical. I mean, how many people really help you start a business from scratch? But I decided to take a chance, and I'm so glad I did. With their mentorship and step by step training, I learned everything from branding, marketing, finding quality hair vendors, and even setting up my own online store. They also helped me get started with my first set of inventory, so I had real products to sell. Fast forward to today, I now own my own beauty business, selling high quality wigs and hair extensions online, and I'm making thousands of dollars a month. This was the opportunity I needed, and I finally feel like I'm in control of my future. If you've been thinking about launching your own beauty brand but don't know where to start, I highly recommend Nile Valley Academy. This program gave me everything I needed to build my brand and create financial freedom for myself. Don't wait. If I can do it, so can you.